friends, welcome back to the channel Ruchi's Teaching. This is Ruchi here. In this video, I would like to explain on transitions tab. Transitions tab I am going to explain in this video. So before I start this, first of all I would like to explain what is transition. Transition is nothing but it is the movement of the slide from one position to another position. Like suppose first slide is there on the screen. Now this slide it will change and second slide will be displaying on the screen. So that is the definition of the transition. That means movement of the slides on the screen. The most precisely, transition is nothing but it is the movement of the slides on the screen. So how you are moving, in what way you are moving, how you do you want to give any effects, or do you want to give any different movement to it, like that, or if you want to give any sounds to it, all those things can be done under transitions. Now I will be explain about all those things which all I have discussed in transitions. Now I will be explaining practically. Now already in front of screen I have taken one slide which you can see with one flower on the slide. So that slide I will be using for the transition purpose. So now after creating a slide, now just give a click on transitions on the menu tab. You will be getting all these things here. What are these things? There are some groups: preview, transitions to this slide, and timing. So what are these? Actually transitions to this slide is nothing but here to this slide these transitions effects can be given, right? Sorry, transitions effects can be given. These transition effects are nothing but, none is nothing but no transition is just simply displaying the slide, that's it. So cut in the form of different style, it will the slide moves in a different form. So fade, the slide will be in a fading way, it will move out of the screen. Pushing, that means the slide will be pushed up or down, or if when you click on that again in that different positions will be there. Right side it should push, otherwise up or down. So wipe it off. Wipe, that means it will the slide will be wiped off. Split, the slide will be splitted, right? Reveal, random bars, in the form of bars it will go. Shape, different shapes it will take. Uncover, that means one on one slide the other slide will be covered. Okay, so these effects are covered in this effects option, right? Now suppose if I take a cover, that particular effects of that cover will be shown here. Okay, these are about the positions or different styles of this transition. Next comes the preview group. What is preview? After giving the some particular transition to the slide, you can go for the preview of that particular slide, how the transition takes place, right? Next comes the timings. What about the timings? Timings are like, in that sound is there. When the slide is moving from one position to another position, different sounds also you can give for it. Duration, how much like sound should be in how much duration should be sound can be displayed, that duration of that sound can be given here. Apply to all. What is apply to all? Apply to all is nothing but this sound and duration which is displayed in that boxes are applied to all the slides. If you click on it, click on what? Click on apply to all, right? Next comes the advanced slide. Now on mouse click, what is on mouse click? When you click on the screen only, then only the transition takes place there. So that is the meaning of that on mouse click. If you don't want on mouse click, automatically you go for the click on the after checkbox. That means when you click on the checkbox of after, you have to give the duration for that particular slide, after how much time it should display, or after how much time it should move from the screen. Can you see here? Move to the next slide after a certain number of seconds, and you might have understood. how much time that the slide displays on the screen, that much time you have to set the time in this after box. Okay, now I will show practically. Right now I will take this slide, and I will select one of the transition. Now I am going for the random bars. Right, in random bars again you just give a click on effect options. Can you see there, change it to a variation of the selected transition, click on it. So how you want the bars to be displayed, either vertically or horizontally, it is asking. I will say horizontal. Right, now sound, I will go for the camera. Already sound is there, again I will show. See, different sounds will come. Right, see, now I have selected random bars. No, that's why it's showing sound. Can you hear? Breeze, camera. So I will go for another one. Right, I'm using this one, and the duration I have set for 1 minute. See what happens now here. If I go for on mouse click, that means if I give a click, then only this action takes place. Okay, I'm selecting this. Sorry, I don't want this duration. If you want, you can go for it also. Now I will go for the preview option. Why preview? I already said that to show, to see the changes what you have done on the screen or slide. Can you see it? Okay, now can you have you observed this has been done for only the picture? No, I don't want that one. I want for a whole slide. So I'll go for another. I will go for uncover, and I will just show you. Click a preview, or will it will be clearly shown for the random, or shapes will go. Okay, in that shapes, different shapes will be there, like this circle. Understood? So this is the change you have seen when I have changed the transition to shape. Okay, by this you might have understood this. This is also a very small video. So actually I thought of joining animations also, but animations will be little bit, some confusion will be there, so I want to do it separately. Okay then friends, I hope you have liked this video. You have understood this. If you have understood or liked it, please like it, share it, and subscribe to the channel. Okay then, bye friends. Thank you.